leaving Ravensthorpe and heading to Albany. So, nice little place, this one. Is it a rock sitting on a piece of wood?
Oh, is that?
I think it's...
if it was his stubby holder.
No, I put my stubby holder away.
Oh, so you've got
So many times I've lost my stubby holders.
Oh, it looks like a stubby holder.
On the...
Can you see? On the piece of wood.
Yeah, on the piece of wood. No, it's a big rock.
Oh, okay.
We're off again.
Didn't go far.
Didn't get far, but there we go. So this place was a, it's 40 bucks a night. I got a discount, 35, and the bloke just comes, it tells you to just park anywhere you want, and they come around in the evening and collect your money. And yeah, the showers and toilets are pretty good, with a shower and toilet in each cubicle, so there's like a 6 en-suites. And yeah, that's the office there. So yeah, like little en-suites. Not en-suites, little en-suites. All right, here we go, off to Albany. 3 hours and 21 minutes and 303 k's. See you when we get there. Just rocked on up to this campsite, and this is it. Oh, my cheese is about to, see what I mean, how windy it is, my cheese is about to blow into the, so anyway, it's Albany over there. So Spotify playing, and what an awesome place. Got the pelicans at the end of the jetty. Looks like fish cleaning facilities. They've given me a fire pit. Got some firewood, 20 bucks, goes to charity. But yeah, have a look at that. We're only going to stay 2 nights, but I think we might actually stay, a week, even more. Yeah, loving this. So it's one of these things, I gotta face me fears and get up the end and do it. I'm gonna give it a go. Oh fuck, no, I can't do it. I can't fucking do it. I can't do it. Shit. Shit. I'm scared of heights. I can't go any further. No, fuck that. No, that is a yeah, no, I can't do it. I can't do it. for a second go at the gap. This is it up here behind me. First time I came here, wasn't able to do it. So we did the treetop walk a couple of days ago. Shit myself up there. So now I'm going to give the old gap a go. Just go shit yourself again. Mum's a lot braver than I am. There's no way I'm going out there. I've had it. That's enough for me. Well, good morning. This is a first. We've actually been told to move sites because of a high tide in about the next 2 hours. So, got to get up and move. What a brilliant morning. Yeah. So anyway, all hitched up, ready to go. The tide will be about another hour or so before she starts to break the banks, and we're gonna be heading off. Gonna go to Denmark. Anyway, what a beautiful morning to do it. Just moved the van to higher ground. The water is starting to come in. It's going to come in around that way and down through here. So yeah, we've moved, but we've also decided that saying we've hitched up now. Decided that we'll keep going to Denmark, and we'll see what that place is like. So we're booked out the Big Four on the ocean. So alright, let's get going. Go on, Debs, where are you? Say goodbye to Albany. Alright, so after being asked to evacuate our last campsite due to a rising tide, we just drove an hour or so, wasn't it, Debs, to this place called Denmark. Denmark, Western Australia. And look at this is the lookout here. You got the surface down there. Yes, this place is awesome. So we're one of the Big Four caravan parks, and it's the pay 3, stay 4, so we're going to do that. And I think we've got a little bit of exploring to do around here. This place looks really, really nice. Hey.